Everybody loves tiki cocktail recipes, and the Jungle Bird cocktail is one of the best tiki drink recipes out there. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this tiki cocktails recipes video, you're going to be learning how to make the world famous Jungle Bird cocktail, as well as a slight tweak to the recipe that I've made that I promise you guys are going to love. So you're essentially going to be learning two cocktails in this one video. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best in bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video whenever they come out. Now, when it comes to tiki cocktails, most people's thoughts immediately run to great rum cocktail recipes. But in the case of the Jungle Bird, it's not just a great tropical drink recipe, but it's also a great Campari cocktail recipe. Now, full disclosure, when I first tried Campari, I was not the biggest fan of it, and I feel like a lot of people fall into that category. But at the same time, I think we can all agree that just as when you're trying something new for the first time and you had a bad experience with it, it kind of colors your rest of your perception when it comes to that particular thing, being introduced to something new the right way can make you a fan instantly. And not only is this tropical drink recipe my recommendation for the first time Campari drinker, it's also one of those recipes that, because so many people love it, it is guaranteed to help you get the most out of that bottle of Campari that may or may not be collecting dust somewhere in the back of your bar. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, I made a couple very small tweaks to the original Jungle Bird cocktail recipe, and I'll point those out along the way right now. And I encourage you to try them both so that you can see which one works best for you. At any rate, they're both great. Here's what you do. Grab your shaker with ice, and then you go ahead and add half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of simple syrup. And now that's actually the first tweak that I made. The original recipe calls for demerara syrup, but try it with the simple syrup as well. Try it with both. See how you like the flavors. Next up, you're going to go ahead and add 3/4 of an ounce of Campari, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and now 2 ounces of, I'm adding 2 ounces of spiced rum. The original recipe calls for 2 ounces of dark rum. Go ahead and give that a nice shake with ice, and then pour it into your glass. Cap it off with a little bit more cracked ice, and for your garnish, this is where the original recipe calls for either pineapple or the pineapple fronds. Don't know what a pineapple frond is. It's basically that sprouty thing that grows out of the pineapple. You stick that behind the ice. In this particular case, I'm just going with a nice lime zest. And that, my friends, is the Jungle Bird cocktail. It is a great tiki drink, great tiki cocktail recipe, great rum recipe, great Campari recipe, you name it. Now, the thing I love about it the most is it's one of those cocktails that hits you from every direction. You get the sweetness from the pineapple juice and the sugar, which is really well balanced with the sour that comes from the lime. And then it finishes off with a slight bitterness from the Campari that doesn't overpower the drink. It really kind of rounds out the cocktail while kind of giving it a very unique characteristic that I think leaves a really memorable, pleasantly memorable impression on the guest's cocktail experience. Of course, if you're looking to make a big batch of this stuff, or you want some other rum cocktail ideas, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Definitely check those out. The links for each video is going to be in the description, so you don't have to go searching all over the internet to find them, and you'll be all set. Now, if you're looking for products and programs to take your bartending skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there, starting with our Mixology Mastery online bartending and mixology class. I've put together a comprehensive program that teaches you basic skills to advanced techniques, everything you need all in one shot. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for more great bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.